Hello, good day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create user profiles to be able to create a home folder as well as creating roaming profiles. So first off, I'm going to be creating a home folder. Basically, what a home folder is, it allows all the users, all the clients of the domain to read and write to one folder. So that's what we're going to be doing first, and I already went ahead to start the VMs so we don't waste any time. So without further ado, we're going to start our server OS, and we're going to go click on tools and click Active Directory users and computers. Once this pops up, we're going to on the users, we're going to right click on the white space and select new. Okay, hire new user. And for the first user, I'm just going to put my name, Jason Ramjatan, and the login name will just be my full name, no spaces. Typing wrong. Right, and click next. And now you have the option to select user must change password after logon. So basically, if I happen to log on a machine for the first time, they're going to ask me to change the password. In this case, I don't want that, so I'm just going to unselect it and put in the password. Right, click next. And this will be my login name right here. Finish. And now that that's created, I could just right click on, well, before we do that, let's actually create the home folder now. So I'm going to create my desktop. I'm just going to select a new, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to name it home share. This will be the folder that all the users could write and read from. So I'm just going to change its properties now. And I'm going to go to select the sharing tab and press share. So I'm going to add everyone, add this, and change the permission level from reader to read/write. This allows all the users to giving them the permission to read and write to that folder. So I'm just going to select share, and your folder is shared. So I click done. And just to double check, I'm just going to click advanced sharing and share this folder. Permissions, and in this case, as you can see, full control wasn't selected, so I need to select that and press apply. And now that's done, we could just close this, apply, and close. While I'm here one time, I am going to copy the network pad because this is going to be needed when I'm creating the home folder for the user. So I'm just going back onto this, on this server manager, on this, back on users and computers, and I'm going to right click on properties for Jason Ramjatan, and for profile, on the home folder, I'm going to select connector. I'm going to assign a drive letter to it. In this case, I'll just leave it as Z. I'm going to paste the path of the home folder, but I'm going to add in this / %, username, and common letters, %. This this piece of code here, we're adding the username of this Jason Ramjatan. This will add that username here. So I just press apply and OK. Let's now go take the cat. Right, so now we're just going to test and see if home folder is actually working. So we're going to log into a client machine. I'm going to select this client machine here. On pause. and put the Control and Delete. Switching user to server 2019/JSON Ramjata. Type in the password. I'm just gonna skip ahead to when it's finished loading, finished booting, sorry. Okay, so now that the machine finished boot up, I can just click on the library. If I click computer, now we have the home folder available for us to add data. So that is basically it for that. Now going back onto the server, I am going to show you how to create a roaming profile. So a roaming profile is a user that when they write data onto one machine, that data should appear when that user logs out and logs into another machine. For example, on my different machines I have is two client machines, two up to Windows 7. So if the user logins to this one and happens to make a folder containing some Word documents, when he logs off, that same folder should appear on this machine, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first things first, just as the home folder, we need to create a folder containing different profiles. So I'm going to make it on the local disk on the server. I'm going to make a new folder and name it Profiles. Right, and same thing as before, I'm going to enable the properties of sharing. So I'm going to add everyone, add, and everyone could read or write to it. And I'm going to double check to make sure it works. And in this case, it works. Okay. So now that's done, I want to copy the network pad. I'm going to copy that, and we don't need this anymore. We're going to go on back onto Tools and select Active Directory, Users, and Computers. And this time I'm going to create another user. So right click on the white space, click on New, User. This time I want to add this name, Ramjatan, same thing as before. Click Next. Taking off, change to password and adding my password. Right, and everything's set there. And now that's finished. So same thing as before, we're going to go on Properties, click on the Profile tab, and the user profile, we're going to actually put that on the profile path. So we're going to paste it here, and we're going to click Apply. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add the /user %, user name %. Click Apply, and now the username pops up. So now I press OK, and we're good. So now we're just going to test it to make sure it's working. So let's go onto our client machine. Let's sign out of the JSON profile. I'm going to input the controls. Switch user. This time we're logging in as Eric, which is a roaming profile. Enter the password. Right, and I would skip ahead to when the computer finished boots up. Okay, so now the system finished boot up. I'm going to create just to test out, make sure it's working. I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to test in the folder, and this folder should appear when I log into another client machine. So right now I'm booting up a second client machine, and it's already finished boot up. So I'm going to just log out this one. Actually, let's put text documents right here. Right. So now we're just gonna log out. Alright, it should work now. And there it is. A tester folder that was in this second, the first client machine there, now appears in this machine. And that'll be the end of this video.